Hi, welcome back. My name is Anika Kai and I am a celebrity makeup artist and beauty influencer. And today I'm going to show you how to use bold, bright shades to create everyday wearable makeup looks. I'm starting with my MAC Studio Fix 24-Hour Concealer in a shade that's way too light for me as an eyeshadow base. Start at the base of the lid and blend upwards. I'm using the Morphe Make Some Magic palette and the shade You're in Luck. We'll be applying this eyeshadow using the same technique we used to apply the eyeshadow base. Go back into You're in Luck with the LC2 fluffy brush and apply that to the crease. Apply a brown eyeliner to the lower lash line and outer third of the eye, and blend that out with the LC4 smudge brush. Add 2 coats of mascara and a pair of lashes. For a monochromatic look, add the same color to your cheeks. Another fun and easy way to add some color to your look is by using an eye pencil. Today I'm going to be grabbing Mischievous from the same Lucky Charms Morphe collection and applying that to my lower waterline. For added dimension, I'm using Enchanted Forest on the outer third of the lower waterline. And now we have 2 ways that you can use bold colors in your everyday makeup routine. Try something new and let me know how it goes down in the comments. Until next time, bye!